Sing like no one is listening. Love like you have never been heard. Dance like nobody is watching. And live like it's heaven on earth. Good evening to one and all, and welcome to annual function of Anekant English Medium School. It is an occasion of celebration where students display their talent through their wonderful performances. Let's begin the traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. For this, I would like to request the advisor and moderator, Dhavrikar ma'am, to come forward and lighten the lamp. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, a warm welcome to one and all present here for this program. What makes a child gifted and talented may not always be a good grades in school, but a different way of looking at world and learning. Now, I would like to request our principal ma'am to present the annual report of school for the session 2021-22.
Good evening, everyone. I stand before you to present the annual report of Anekant English Medium School for the academic session 2021-22. At present, the school strength from nursery to class 10 stands at 1,369. In April 2022, my first batch of class 10, comprising of 46 students, will be appearing for their board exams. In the last academic session, the school has been functioning in an online mode in accordance with the government regulations. All students and classes were in touch with their class teachers and subject teachers through Google Meet. Teachers were trying to maintain a vibrant atmosphere in the live classes through interactive videos, PowerPoint presentations, online quizzes, and even online exams. It is true that in this pandemic situation, there has been some learning gaps and 100% learning outcomes have not been achieved. But I feel proud to inform you that our sincere and dedicated staff members have continued both the scholastic and extracurricular activities effectively, ensuring maximum participation from all the students. A number of activities like the Olympiads, and in addition to that, quizzes were conducted online. Various festivals were also celebrated in an online mode. Now I would like to draw your attention to some of the achievements of our students. Arnav Bable of class 5 won the first prize in the English speech competition organized by Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, Pune. Krupa Shalke of class 5 won the second prize in the same competition. She also won the first prize in the online elocution competition organized by Sri Dhuntiraj Thanbe Trust, Majalgaon, Bid. Vedika Katkar, her drawing has been selected in the top 50 entries in Maharashtra. This has been achieved in a competition which was organized by CBSE in association with Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Srija Tengle of class 4, Shivanjali Sapkal from class 5 won consolation prize and fifth prize respectively in the district level elocution competition organized by Namdev Rao Patil Sarvajanik Vachanalay, Kurhale. Arya Tarte from class 4 and Krishna Sapkal from class 5 participated in online state level letter writing and reading competition and they won awards for the school. Maithili Saste got the first prize in fort making competition organized by Creade, Fulton. Arya Tarate also bagged the third prize in the state level elocution competition organized by an academy of Sangli, Sholapur. Rishita Patil of class 3 secured the second position in the Smart Survival Skills category of class 3 to 5 organized by Pune Sahodaya CBSE group of schools. In sports too, our students secured various achievements. Anay Makrand Vare of class 1 completed 82-kilometer cycle run organized by Baramati Forum and Baramati Cycle Club. Arhan Doshi and Sudarshan Kohli completed 82-kilometer cycle ride. Sharyu Kolse of class 2 has bagged the gold and bronze medal in the district level karate competition. Prerit Lonkar of class 2 won the Latha gold. Students also participated in the hub activity organized by VP Cyrus Punawala School, Baramati. Here too our students marched ahead. Arya Doshi of class 9th secured the second prize in the poster making competition and Shivanjali Sapkal of class 6th won the first prize in the solo singing competition. School also actively participated in the drive of Baramati Nagar Parishad to reduce the use of plastic and ensure proper waste management. For this, the principal and teachers of the school were awarded with the title of Paryavaran Doot. At the end, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the respected members of the school committee, our dear parents, and most importantly, our dear students. We love you and we hope that you will continue to play an active part in the development of the school. From our side, the school is assuring that we are going to help you to grow and develop and ensure that there is holistic development of each and every student in our school. With this, I would like to once again thank you for participating and being an active participant in our school activities. Also, I take this opportunity to once again wish you a very good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your brief annual report.
यूं जमीन पर बैठकर क्यों आसमान देखता है, पंखों को खोल जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखता है. Without wasting much of time, let's begin today's program, Paradise of Free Birds.
Isha, can you cry loudly when you feel sad, or sing loudly, or dance suddenly if you feel like dancing?
Most probably no. If I do so, people will call me crazy. But why are you asking me such question?
Because today we have someone special who can do all of this. They can jump, dance, sing, and laugh, and that too without thinking of what people will say.
Oh, really? Who are they?
They are the free birds of paradise of earth, our tiny taunts of AMS. They are not afraid of anything and enjoy their every moment of life. They are very energetic, who will drain all your energy by asking numbers of questions and making us run behind them, but leave us with a deep love in our minds. It is said that in eyes of adults there are 7 wonders, but in the eyes of children there are million wonders.
Yes, you are right, Rutuja. Today we have one such inquisitive performer, Arnav Mazare from HKG Challenger, who will express his wonder about the birds through his beautiful speech. कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को?
सुप्रभात मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं अर्नमुल मजले, मैं एचकेजी चैलेंजर कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. जब भी मैं बाहर जाता हूँ तब चिड़ियों को देखकर मेरे मन में विचार आता है कि हमें तो माता पिता सिखाते हैं चलना, फिरना, भागना, खाना खाना, पानी पीना, बैठना, पढ़ाई करना. ये तो हम माता पिता सिखाते हैं हमको. हम जब स्कूल जाते हैं तब हमारे टीचर भी हमको सिखाते हैं स्टडी करना. तो चिड़ियों को कौन सिखाता होगा? चिड़ियों तो स्कूल भी नहीं जाते. आपको भी यही विचार आता है क्या? मेरे मन में तो बहुत सारे विचार आते हैं. कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को ची 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 करना? कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को खुदक खुदक से चलना फिरना? कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को फुर से उड़ना? कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को चुक 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 करके दाने खाना? कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को छोटे बच्चों का लालन पालन करना? कौन सिखाता है चिड़ियों को तिनके लाना और घोंसला बनाना? माँ का प्यार दुलार चौकसी कौन सिखाता है उनको? माँ का प्यार दुलार चौकसी कौन सिखाता है उनको? कुदरत का यही खेल निराला, वह हम सबको सब कुछ देती किंतु हमसे कुछ नहीं लेती। हम सब उसके अंश है, जैसे पशु पक्षी प्राणी सारे। हम सब उसके वंश है, जैसे सूरज चांद सितारे। धन्यवाद।
Wow, it was a fantastic performance. Butterflies flutter, butterflies fly. They put a sparkle in your eyes. So let's welcome our two cute butterflies, Ritvika Matkar from Nursery and Arohi Award from HKG Challengers, who will show their dance performance and will give you a butterfly smile in a short while.
Oh, wow, it was really mind-blowing performance. Now let's welcome our next performers, Swaraj Khomne and Rudra Amrale from LKG Robin and Shivanya Magar from HKG Challenger, who are calm but alert, relaxed but ready, smooth but sharp with their karate art.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो, आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने।
Wow, what an amazing performance it was. Our next performer, Avni Jagdare from LKG Robin, is coming with a sensitive topic, that is save trees, through her speech and dance Na Kaato Mujhe Dukta Hai.
Hello, I am Avni Prashant Jagdare. My school name Anekant English Medium School. My class name LKG Robin. Today I am speak important of trees. Trees are very important in life. Trees gives us oxygen. Trees gives us fruit. Trees gives us shadow in summer season. Trees gives us rubber. Trees our best friend.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया। था मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया। मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया। था मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया। निर्मोहिया है तू, बेशर्म है, होता न शर्मिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।
Thank you, Avni, for the great message to save trees. Now be ready to add happiness to your life and get into a joyful state of mind with the dance performance of Kale Sairaj and Vedika Umdare from LKG on the beats of the song Itni si hasi, itni si khushi, itna sa tukda chand ka.
छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी होठों पे कुंडली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया
Wow, really incredible. The dancers have captivated everyone. Really proved as icing on the cake for this event. Thank you very much for this fabulous performance. तर मुलांनो तुम्हाला काय आवडतं? चला तर मी सांगून टाकते. तुम्हाला चॉकलेट खूप आवडतं ना? चिमणीचं घर मेणाचं, कावळ्याचं घर शेणाचं. आणि जर तुमचं घर चॉकलेटचं झालं तर? चला तर मग पाहूया एक नृत्य सादर करीत आहे इयत्ता LKGची विद्यार्थिनी अन्विता मदने.
बिस्किटांच्या गच्चीवर मोर छानदार, बिस्किटांच्या गच्चीवर मोर छानदार. पेपरमिंटच्या अंगणात फुलला लाल, पेपरमिंटच्या अंगणात फुलला लाल. असावा सुंदर चॉकलेटचा बंगला, असावा सुंदर चॉकलेटचा बंगला. चांदीच्या झाडामागं चांदोबा राहतो, चांदीच्या झाडामागं चांदोबा राहतो. छोट्याशा फुलाशी लपाछपी खेळतो, हो लपाछपी खेळतो. उंच उंच झोक्याचा खेळ रंगला, उंच उंच झोक्याचा खेळ रंगला. मैनेचा पिंजरा वर टांगला, मैनेचा पिंजरा वर टांगला. किती किती सुंदर चॉकलेटचा बंगला, चंदेरी सोनेरी चमचमता चांगला. किती किती सुंदर चॉकलेटचा बंगला, चंदेरी सोनेरी चमचमता चांगला, चमचमता चांगला, चमचमता चांगला, चमचमता चांगला.
खूप सुंदर अन्विता, अतिशय सुंदर परफॉर्मन्स झालेला आहे. हे गायत्री, हॅव यू हर्ड द सॉन्ग सेनोरिटा फ्रॉम द मूवी जिंदगी ना मिले दोबारा? Oh yes, that famous song. I just love that song. But today our tiny tots of nursery, R.V. Bangar and Samarth Dombale, are going to hit the dance floor with this iconic song and make us feel that how we should live each and every moment of life. ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना, जो भी तूने मुझसे कहा है सेनोरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेनोरिटा.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना, जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा? सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा, कहते हैं हम क्या?
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा? सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा, कहते हैं हम क्या?
Wow, really incredible.
सदी से धूप से बचाना हेलमेट, दुपहियों वाहनों से सुहाना हेलमेट। दोस्तों की दुआ और अपनों का साथ, रिश्ता हो ऐसा ही निभाता हेलमेट। सफ़र के हादसों में बचाता है, जान लगाता है कभी तो विधाता हेलमेट। मुकुट हो जैसे या सिर का हो ताज, बादशाह सा हमको सुहाता हेलमेट। अब आपके सामने हेलमेट की महत्व नाटिका के रूप में प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आ रहे हैं ऋत्विका पवार एलकेजी फ्लेमिंगो और रिवांश बापकर एलकेजी कीवी से।
It was an amazing performance. Arya, don't you feel everyone on this earth, whether it is a human being or an animal, have their own paradise where they feel themselves free from all the bindings?
Yes, but for these small kids, their school is their paradise, where they feel a sense of freedom to explore themselves. So now, let's call upon such tiny birds of HKG, Tanish Borse, Amay Dalvi, Krutika Sapkar, Advik Bujbal, Divya Zende, Sharvil Fortere with their mesmerizing performance.
long as you're with me and you're holding my hand. We can be anywhere as long as I'm with you. We can be in South Tokyo, Japan, or somewhere in Jamaica soaking up a fresh sand. We can be anywhere as long as I'm with you. Take me away, can't wait no longer. Anywhere with you just feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. Take me away and hold me closer. Anywhere with you just feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Hey Arya, what are you doing? Stop it. This is neither a place nor your age to play with Barbie.
What age, Veer? Childhood is the best part of life, and childhood memories are special for everybody. Barbies are a part of childhood memories of each and every girl. The varieties of Barbies and its peculiar style always fascinates everybody, even now.
Yes Arya, I understood. And you will be happy to know that we have two little fascinating Barbies, Alina Sheikh and Vriha Guge from HKG on this floor of AEMS Paradise with the amazing performance.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde bimbo girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your dolly.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky.
Wow, really refreshed the old memories. Wasn't it Soham? Soham,
Huh.
which world are you lost?
Nothing special, Sakshi. Sakshi, have you ever experienced there are some of our wishes that we cannot fulfill in our actual life? But dreams are medium through which we can live them.
Right, Soham. Today we have Kian Kamre from LKG Flamingo with his fascinating dream to be a robot. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, what a wonderful performance. Actions speak louder than words. When we speak, people tend to ignore us. But when we approach them wearing bright makeup, colorful dress and use mime language to communicate, they get curious about what we are doing. So let's end our curiosity by welcoming Rajvardhan Pansare from HKG Colombian and Sandesh Pansare from Nursery Iris, who will perform a mime act to spread a very important message related to road safety.
you Rajvardhan and Sandesh for creating awareness of road safety through your mime act.
Jingalala hoo hoo, jingalala hoo hoo. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear this popular tune of Indian cinema?
Adivasis?
Yes, you are right, Adivasis. When we hear this, our mind churns up images of a group of cannibals clothed in wild leaves. Now let us welcome our next performers, Anish Gandhi and Virat Dashi from HKG Challenger and Varsha Somani and Rajvi Taure from HKG Discovery to bring back lots of good old memories of Adivasis with their energetic dance performance.
Until the goddess Tefiti used her heart to create islands teeming with life.
Voyagers began to sail.
The world was theirs to discover. She didn't know it then, but the ocean gave Moana the heart of Tefiti.
Guys, every story has an ending, but in life, every ending is a new beginning. So, to have a new beginning, we need to end our today's program. And I am really thankful for giving me chance to deliver vote of thanks for today's program.
I, on behalf of Anekant English Medium School, would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents, students, the participants and the lovely audience of today's program. I would also like to thank our Chairman Sir, Committee, Principal Ma'am and Dhavikar Ma'am. A very big thank you to each and everyone without whose contribution this program have not been a success. Now I declare the program is over. Thank you once again.